right, here we go. We're going to be looking at 3 problems today. Fractions, the timeline, and the weight of these pencils. So go ahead, let's take a look at the fractions here. We got 4/8 compared to 4/12. If the numerators are the same, that means you're only getting 4 slices no matter what party you go to. You're super hungry, so you want to go to the party where there's only 8 people. Why? Because that means the slices are going to be bigger. You're not having to cut the pizza into as many slices. It's like when you get a Costco pizza, I think they're 8 slices, and they're pretty big. But you can get it, you can ask Costco to double cut it, and then it'll go from 8 slices to 16 slices. But are they giving you a bigger pizza because there's 16 slices? No, it's the same size pizza, just the slices are smaller, okay? So that's the same thing we got here. These slices are going to be bigger because you're only sharing it with 8 people. Okay, oh, I like how they didn't give the number timeline here. They left it nice and open. So the movie started at 5:45 and ended at 7:33. How long? Okay, so we're just going to start at 5:45. It is important to put PM or, oh, they don't even have AM or PM there. So let's, I guess it doesn't matter. And it ends at 7:33. Okay, so now you just want to choose friendly numbers to add to 5:45. I'm going to add a 10. 10 minutes. That takes me to 5:55. Now I'm going to add 5. That takes me to a nice friendly number like 6. Some of you can add 15 to 45 because you know that takes you to 6 o'clock, but if you're not sure, just do small little jumps. All right, now I can go from 6 to 7 now. That's 1 hour. And I know 30 minutes takes me to 7:30 now, because 30 minutes plus 7 o'clock should be pretty easy for most of us. 30 minutes past 7 is 7:30. Now I have to add 3 minutes to take me to 7:33. Okay, so now we just have to add up our jumps. Oof. I guess that could be kind of complicated. Let's choose friendly numbers, and then I'm going to cross them off. Let's go 30 plus 10. See how I'm crossing them off so I know that I did them? That's 40. 3 minutes and 5 minutes is 8 minutes. What is that? That takes us to 48 minutes. I'll put a little M there to show that it's minutes. What do I have left? An hour? It looks like it. That's the only one that I haven't crossed off yet. So 1 hour plus 48 minutes is 1 hour and 48 minutes. So final answer, 1 hour, 48 minutes. I used the number line method. I used friendly compatible numbers. Okay, now the pencil problem. A pencil has a mass of 25, and there are 8 of them. Okay, so at this point, the square is kind of small here. That's why I leave it blank on the back. So we have 8 pencils. Make 8 circles. This is an equal groups problem. Each one was 25. So now we're just going to skip count by 25s. This should be fairly easy for kids to do because money is by 25s, quarters. So 25, 50, 75 cents, $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75, $2. So, 200 pennies. 200 pennies is $2. And I think we were talking about grams. 200 grams. Each one of these was grams. You could go 25, 50, 75, 100. So that's 100. So you could group them by 4s too. 25, 50, 75, 100. That's another 100. See how I'm grouping them by 4s now? So 100 plus 100 is 200. So if you want to group them up, you could do that too. 200 grams. 200 G's. Okay, find the perimeter of the rectangle and the area. Okay, the formula for area is length times width. So 5 times 7 is 35. You guys should be memorizing your multiplication facts. And I want to say it's centimeters squared, if you want to get super technical, but 35 is what I'm looking for the correct answer. Okay, the perimeter now, the problem is it doesn't tell you what these two sides are. So how do I know what these two sides are? Well, I know it's a rectangle. So if I know it's a rectangle, I know that if this side is 5, this side has to be 5, because the definition of a rectangle is that opposite sides are parallel and equal. So if it's 7 over there, I know that it's 7 on the other side. Okay, now that I've filled in the sides, 7 and 7 is 14. 5 and 5 is 10. 14 plus 10, 24 centimeters squared. 24 is the answer we're looking for. Hopefully that helps you with today's homework.